How to view bank statement on Standard Bank app. Hi guys, welcome to our channel. Let's begin. In this video, I will guide you on how you can view bank statement on Standard Bank app. For this, you want to download and install the Standard Bank app on your device. You can head over to Play Store or App Store and then download and install this application on your device. Once you have installed this, tap it open. Now you want to log into your account. For that, you want to enter your username and password. Now, you want to navigate to your accounts. On the main dashboard, you want to click on the account for which you want to view the statement. Now, tap on the account to open its details. Now, you want to look for the option of statements or transaction history. Once you tap on that option, you want to select the statement period. Choose the time period for which you would like to view the statements. Options may include last month, past 3 months, or a custom date range. Now you want to download or view the statement. Once you select the period, you can either view the statement on your screen or download it as PDF. If you need a physical copy, save the PDF to your device and print it out. And that's it for this video. If you found it helpful, please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.